Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we are going to trade some binary option manually. You can join me also. I trade every single day for free in WhatsApp and Telegram. Today I did 11 trades and I won 10 of them. So if you want to join me there, you can do so. Also I do Forex trades. You find a link below the video for that. But now, if you want to join this broker, just use the link you see up here right now. Or below the video you find two other brokers also that you can join. Let's see if we can find some good entries. Oh yeah, help me out a little. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell thing, and also if you have any questions, put them below the video. Now let's see if we can find some good trades here today. We have a very specific area, so you're looking for trades. Now let's see. I don't see anything here. I think down here will be interesting. If you could come down there. Let's see if you can do that. Down here I think will be quite nice. If you want to go all the way down there, I want to take a trade down there. Oh, in the upper area I don't think I have anything. So let's remove this line for confusing. Let's see. If we come down to this green line, we go up. There we are in. Good entry. You see when you come down to this area there, you see that you have a tendency to get refusement, you see. So that's why we entered there. Very nice entry. Now let's just wait. We need to wait 44 seconds. You see clearly all the way from back here. Here of course he broke. Here you would have lost one. But most of the time you see when you come down here, you have these spikes that shoot up, you see. So that means it's an area that is very good to enter. And there you see, $460, we're going to get profit from this trade. So once again, you see how simple it is to trade binary option if you just follow the small, simple rules. To just identify areas like this. It's so simple. I do this every single day. I've done it now. For sessions, I have an academy I'm teaching. I've done for 1 year. And I think I only had 3 days losses. One I don't count because I think it was 0 or something. So there, $460 profit. That easy it is to make money with binary option. So make sure you join my free WhatsApp and Telegram. You find links below the video. So you can copy what I'm doing there. I am there live every single day with Forex and binary option. And if you want to trade this manually also, make sure you join with the links you find below. So you support me, because you support me by using my links. I make a small profit for your success, not from your losses, but from your success. So more wins you have, small profit again, by the way, you do that. So with that, have an amazing day.